Hey guys, in this video I'll be telling you about the top 5 free alternatives for Photoshop. Personally, I don't have Photoshop and I'm finding no use for it as some of these offer the exact same features. I'm going to be discussing the pros and cons and also which ones I use or have used in the past. Alright, on the number 5 spot on this list we have GIMP. GIMP is a free open source software that is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The good thing about GIMP is that it has no ads, it has tons of advanced editing capability, and it has comprehensive layer support. Some of the downsides are that it has a steep learning curve and isn't ideal for beginners. It has a cluttered UI, and it has no drawing capabilities like other alternatives on this list. Moving on to number 4, we have Paint.net. This is a software that was originally designed as an alternative to Microsoft Paint, but has grown so much and is now capable of so much more. I haven't used it before, but I do know that there are tons of great videos explaining how to use it on YouTube. This makes the program great for beginners. One downside is that it only works for Windows operating systems. The next on the list is Krita. Krita is a tool for people that want a little more flexibility when editing images. A feature I really like about it is the customizable interface. This feature allows you to make it look as simple or advanced as you want in just a few clicks. The reason I stopped using it is because there are very few updates and it can run pretty slow at times. On the number 2 spot we have Pixlr X, which is an updated version of the very popular Pixlr. Some things that may prove super useful to you is that you can run it on basically any device, even mobile ones, and that it's web-based, so you don't have to download a thing. The reason it's on the number 2 spot instead of the number 1 is because I've used them both, and I like the one on the number 1 spot more, and also some tools can be quite slow on Pixlr X. Finally, on the number 1 spot we have Photopea. This is the tool I use to make thumbnails, logos, and basically everything. It's a web-based tool so you don't have to download any software, its layout is basically identical to Photoshop's, and you can import and export PSD files, which if you didn't know is Photoshop's custom file format which saves layers. I use this on a daily basis and haven't found any need to get Photoshop because this has it all. Another reason I use this over other tools on this list is because it has very minimal ads. One downside is that you need an internet connection to use it as it is a website, but other than that, it's great. I hope this video helped you out. Links to all these tools are in the description, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment because it really helps me out. Thanks.